Okay, so we have three large eggs. So we're gonna put in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make sure you get all that stuff off the side. Strawberry cake mixture. And I already cut it because I don't want this to be a 10-minute video and everybody's whining about how I took too long to tell them how to make it. I'm gonna open that, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of raspberry jello. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of raspberry jello. There's 1 and 2. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna go with 1/4 cup of milk. Pour that in there and stir this. We'll put it at 325. I was going to put it at 330 because it's kind of cold in my house. That makes our oven run a bit colder. Alright, now we spread our pan and we're going to dump our cake batter in there. And once our oven is ready, we're going to stick it in the oven for about 20 minutes and then we'll check it. So I cooked it almost a half an hour, probably a couple more minutes extra. Oof. But you can see it's still nice and pink on the sides. And it should come right out of there. So we're going to do this. Oh my goodness, it couldn't have been more perfect than that. So now we're gonna try to even this out. And we'll get a plate. McDonald's. Who has these old McDonald's plates? I still have the cups as well. I have Holly Hobby cups as well. I want to taste this. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. That's so good. It's really good. Super fluffy. It's not too sweet. Oh, perfect. Very good. I melted some of this strawberry Pillsbury frosting. And now I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the raspberry. Well, let's just put all of them in there. It's like 2 or 3 tablespoons of the raspberry jello and a couple tablespoons of milk. Just a little bit. And after we mix this, we're going to put it back in the refrigerator because we don't want it to be liquid when we frost our cake with it. cheesecake pudding. And it calls for, the pudding is 2 cups of milk to a box of the pudding, but I put 1 and like 2/3 cup so that it would be a little thicker. I don't want it too runny because it'll just absorb into the cake, and I want to have like a really good delicious layer in between the cake. So we're going to put this in a bag and just cut a hole in the corner of the bag and pipe it. But we have to cut our cake in half first. I'm going to try to get all of the air out of here too. And start off small. You can always cut your hole bigger if it's not really coming out. So now we're just going to pipe this on here. Start in the middle and work our way out to the edges. But we're going to do this with it a bit runny because this cake is not meant to have like anything thick frosted on it. Just a couple. Look at that. Doesn't that say fun? It screams it. It's like, I'm fun. I'm the funnest cake ever. And I'm going to be delicious in your mouth. Put me in your mouth, please. I have OCD. And I really want this empty spot right here. Okay. Now it's too many. I said a little and then I went overboard. But let's put this in the fridge and then we're going to cut it. Okay, so we chilled it for a little while. Now I'm going to cut this in half and then in thirds. And every time I cut it, I'm going to wipe it. And just leave that there. And I'm going to separate it a little bit to get it to unstick from it. And now I'm going to go right underneath that piece of cake. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. Frosting on the other side. We're going to stick these in our cute little containers. Try not to get frosting on them. And look at that! Look at how cute it looks in there. sticker. So cute.